Bismillah, what if I told you that there's one habit silently aging your face and does it faster than sun damage, faster than sugar, even faster than skipping your skincare? And here's the scary part. You're probably doing it every single day. And it's not your moisturizer and it's not your diet. And no, it's not what you think. Stay with me because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how not only to stop this aging process, but actually how to look younger at 30, 40, or 50 and reverse that aging. And I'll also reveal something shocking. There's a natural method, not injections, and no expensive creams that can actually help restore your facial structure from the inside out. But first, we need to talk about what's really happening beneath your skin. So this habit, it can actually shrink the bone structure on your face, making your cheekbones smaller and your eyes look more hollow. This is why you start to see smile lines and wrinkles appear, because the bone structure is changing the shape underneath. And this habit is chronic stress. Not the obvious kind, not the I had a bad day kind. I'm talking about the low-level constant stress your body never fully escapes, such as deadlines, overthinking, poor sleep, emotional pressure. And here's what most women, they don't realize. Stress doesn't just affect your mood. It physically reshapes your face and damages your body. Every time you're stressed, your body, it releases a hormone called cortisol. And cortisol does something most people don't know. It actually breaks down your collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. And in fact, high cortisol, it doesn't just slow down collagen production, it actually breaks down the collagen you already have. So even if you're using the best skincare in the world, your body is undoing all that work from the inside. Now, cortisol is helpful in short bursts, but when it stays elevated over time, that's when the damage begins. And here's what the science shows. Chronic cortisol, it breaks down your collagen and elastin. It weakens and shrinks the bones in your face, which is your structural scaffolding. It gives you your looks. And this is why the shape of your face is actually changing as you age. It increases inflammation and fluid retention, and that's what makes you look puffy. And it disrupts your blood flow to the skin. A study from Yale, it linked chronic stress to visible thinning of the skin and reduced elasticity. And here's a number to really put this into perspective. Women with consistently high stress levels, they can experience up to 25% faster visible skin aging compared to those with lower stress levels. That means they're going to have more sagging, more dullness, more fine lines earlier, and more bone loss. Most people think aging is just wrinkles, but it's not. Aging is actually the loss of the facial volume and the bone structure. When you are stressed, your body is in a survival mode, and it stops prioritizing the minerals needed to keep your facial bones dense. And your cheekbones, they literally begin to recede, and your jawline, it'll soften. Now, you might think the answer is just to relax or meditate, and this is how to stay young and get rid of the stress. But for most of us, that isn't enough to reverse the damage that's already done. There is a secret reset button for your facial structure that has nothing to do with your face, and I'm going to show you what that is in exactly 60 seconds. So most people, they try to relax your stress away. They try meditation or bubble baths or herbal teas. And don't get me wrong, those can help, but they don't change what's happening at a deeper biological level. Because stress isn't just a mental thing. It's stored physically in your body. It's stored in your muscles, in your nervous system, and in your hormones. This is why people with high stress, they also develop all kinds of sicknesses or disease, because your body is in this weakened state all the time. So you need something that works on all of those systems at the same time. And this is where things get really interesting, because the solution has nothing to do with your skincare routine and everything to do with how you move your body. The habit that can actually lower your stress, reverse aging, and help you look young at 30, 40, or 50 is weight training. Yes, lifting weights. Here's why this works so powerfully. When you're doing strength training, your body, it does something incredible inside. It lowers your baseline cortisol levels. Those are the ones inside the body, in your body structure, that's physically damaging you. It also increases your growth hormone. And this is just not any hormone. This is called the fountain of youth hormone for a reason. It supports your skin repair and it reverses your aging. It helps your little cells, mitochondria, to act young again. Strength training also improves your circulation, which delivers the oxygen and nutrients to your skin. It builds muscles that support the structure of your face. And no, you don't have to lift weights on your face for this to happen. Science shows that muscles act as endocrine organs. When you lift, your muscles secretes myokines, and these travel to the brain and neutralize effects of cortisol. In a study about the systemic effects of weight training, it showed that it helped also to improve the thickness of your skin and collagen synthesis. Just as lifting weights, it makes your leg bones stronger, this systemic effect of heavy lifting, it signals the whole body to maintain the bone density everywhere, including the upper jaw and your cheekbones. And here's something that most people, they don't talk about. Your face, it doesn't exist in isolation by itself. When your body loses muscle, your entire structure begins to soften, including your face. But when you build your muscle, you build bone at the same time. And this creates a natural lift all over your body and lifts your face. A study published in Aging Cell, it found that resistance training can improve the mitochondrial function, which we talked about, which is basically helping your cells act younger. Another study found that strength training, it significantly reduces cortisol levels over time. So less internal stress equals slower visible aging and is a secret of how to look younger than your age naturally and reverse aging. So remember the question we started with. What's the one habit aging your face faster than anything else? It's not your skincare. It's chronic stress. But now you also know something empowering. You're not stuck with it. You can actively reverse it, not with another cream, but by changing how your body responds to stress with weight training. Now you don't need to become a bodybuilder, but you do need to lift heavy enough to create a systemic change. That means you pick up a weight and that's fine, but you need to be able to pick up a weight that's almost too hard for you to pick up. That's going to create the change. And you can focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, or presses, and do this 2 to 3 times a week. And this will give you a natural glow, and you should see this within 24 hours after a workout, just due to the increase in the microcirculation. Now you might be wondering, how much damage has stress already done to your specific skin type? And what is your biological skin age right now? I've developed a free skin glow analyzer on my website. It only takes about 2 minutes, and it looks at your current habits, tells you exactly where you fall on the aging spectrum, plus it gives you a personalized plan to get that radiance back. And you can click the link in the description or go to my website to take the analyzer. And don't let your habit define your face. Take control of it today. And I'll see you in the next video. And if this video opened your eyes, make sure you subscribe, because I'll be showing you more natural ways to protect your skin, your health, and your confidence from the inside out.